before performing such dance?
The Biblia is a common dance for the Ifugao. I say it's a common dance because everyone can dance the Biblia. There are some dances, there are some Ifugao dances, which calls for particular occasion. It calls for particular people to perform the dances. And these other dances are the Pagatut, the Hingatut. These are performed during specific celebrations. And these celebrations are the celebrations of the wealthy people. It also calls for specific people like their wealth, their status in the community before they can perform the dances. The Binoy is a dance for everyone. The rich, the poor can dance the Binoy. But the Hingatut or the Pagadut, these are specifically danced by the rich people.
How how could you perceive or act about the changes or alterations of the set? Modernization to publicity.
It is inevitable. This alteration is inevitable because as we are entering society, as we are integrating, the Ifugao culture is being integrated with other cultures, it is inevitable that there are some alterations. But what is important there is for Ifugao, for every Ifugao to know what is original and what is not. Like for you, you should know which is original and which is not, and not make it good. Because if you do not know what is original, and you are only focusing on what is neo or the alterated one, then you are losing your identity. But if at least you know, you are aware that these particular dances are alterated or adulterated, then you might as well have to go back to the original movement, so at least you will not lose that identity. That is what is important, because we cannot separate our society with the fast assimilating society. We have to go with the current. But what is important here is we should know and preserve our own identity while we are assimilating our culture with other societies.
Are these changes necessary or
I think it is necessary. It is necessary for us to adjust. It is necessary for every Ifugao to assimilate its life, its social aspect in life, to the general society, to the people. Because we cannot isolate ourselves. We cannot say, do not come to Ifugao, as well as we cannot come to your place. Because we should mingle with other people. And these are necessary things in order for us to survive. You cannot survive alone. No man is an island. But like what I have said, we have to know who we are. We have to know our roots. We have to give due respect to the things, to the traditions of our forefathers, because that will propel us to a better future. We go with the people. We join the crowd, but we must not lose our identity in the crowd.
Thank you, sir.